BiasBuzz is a new tool by our research team that combines a haptic device with a visual and analytics tool. And this tool allows us to bring greater awareness to patterns in a person's data analysis process. Lumos is the visual analysis tool that we've decided to use for our interface because of its many features related to visual data analysis and awareness in a person's analysis process. We've decided to enhance Lumos with a couple of important key abilities, namely the ability to track and untrack attributes, and also visual icon alerts. And of course, we cannot talk about this tool without talking about the little mouse that could, the actual haptic mouse, which vibrates. So the interface is rather familiar to you if you've ever used Lumos. You have the typical visualizations that are created with different data sets and different aspects of this visualization like axes and filters. One unique aspect to this interface that we've added is the ability to track attributes. You can track as many attributes as you would like, and the bias value of these specific attributes will be monitored behind the scenes. Another important feature that we've added are visual icon alerts. You have these visual icons on the left that indicate that the mouse has vibrated. You can mute these alerts if you so choose, and the vibrations will be silenced for 30 seconds. And of course, we cannot talk about this without mentioning the vibrations of the haptic mouse itself. The haptic mouse typically vibrates once when the bias metrics of the tracked attributes are above a certain threshold, 0.7, from a scale from 0 to 1. So we have conducted a user study with about 9 users, and we have reported many interesting findings. Some pros of our BiasBuzz setup include the fact that haptic feedback can aid awareness in personal data analysis processes. Haptic feedback can also provide a very unique method of providing awareness in contrast to methods in the past, like Lumos alone. But there were some cons as well. Mouse vibrations can prove rather distracting during a data analysis task, and you have many users who are not fully aware of the meaning of the vibrations.